McPherson from McGrath Estate Agents.
And I'm Adam Cook, and welcome to our latest listing at 29 Discovery Crescent in Rosslyn.
Situated on a 718 metre square allotment, this 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home has generous side access to the single bay powered shed.
Come on in, have a look.
What I love most about this property has to be the functional floor plan. I absolutely love the open plan living that connects the lounge and dining through to the galley style kitchen, not to mention the ample windows that let in so much natural light.
So guys, that was 29 Discovery Crescent in Rosslyn. If you're looking for that immaculate family home, only minutes walk to the beach and close by to Rosslyn Bay Harbour, please don't hesitate to call Anna or myself. Thanks for viewing, see you on the next one.